This is how to subtract mixed numbers with regrouping. We start with the fraction 3 1/4 minus 1 7/8. We know that we need to find a common denominator. We need to make these into like fractions. And in order to do that, we are going to change our 1/4. We know that 8 is a multiple of 4, so we can change 1/4 into 2/8 by multiplying by a common factor of 2/2. So 3 1/4 becomes 3 2/8. So we now have 3 2/8 minus 1 7/8. Our model shows 3 whole and 2/8, because we know that 1/4 equals 2/8. According to our problem, we have to subtract 7/8 away from 2/8. We do not have enough eighths to do that. So we need to take one of our whole numbers. So you can see in the model, they took a whole. So I'm going to borrow from that whole, and it becomes now 2 whole left. I'm going to split that whole into eighths. So I changed my 3 2/8. I borrowed from the whole. I have 2 left over. I'm going to then add on to my 2/8 8/8. 8/8 is the same as 1 whole that I borrowed from my 3. So now I have a total of 2 and 10/8. I regrouped my fractions. Now I can subtract 2 and 10/8 minus 1 and 7/8. So I had 2 and I had a total of 10/8 up here, and they got rid of 1 whole and also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7/8. They removed those from the model. We're then left with 1 whole and 3/8. And that is how to subtract mixed numbers with regrouping.